How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with @Tech. In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 hidden spy cameras that you can buy right now. The importance of a really good spy camera is that not only does it record exceptional video quality, but it is also hidden in a way that no one would ever suspect. Even if they do, they will never see the camera, which makes all of these products right here some of the best ones you can get on the market. The benefit of these cameras specifically is that they are all completely functional as what they are representing. Each one of these cameras functions how it should for the most part. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and we will talk about the Wi-Fi router. This is the one exception to this list. While this does look exactly like a Wi-Fi router, it does not actually function as a Wi-Fi router, but it still has all the ports and it even looks exactly like the real thing. This is a pretty small and compact unit that fits with any networking setup, something you would never suspect. We do have our sensors on the front, which are perfectly reasonable to be Wi-Fi pass-through. This is where we do have our ambient light sensor for night vision. Then on the top, we have an articulating antenna with the camera built into that right there. You can position this camera to any angle you want, and it will allow you to get a higher view of something you're looking at. Best of all, the Ethernet port is real. Although it doesn't work, you can still plug something into it, and it looks just like a real Wi-Fi router. Next up, we have the nightlight. This is a fairly simple unit that looks very inconspicuous. All we have is a little grill on the front for the camera, as well as the microphone and the ambient light sensor. On the bottom of the unit is a button to enable the light, and we can turn on our nightlight very easily. We have our micro SD card slot on the side, but not something you would really notice, and is a great way for spying on stuff pretty much anywhere that there is an outlet. Following that, we have the power adapter. We all need these to charge our phones, and this one does double duty. Not only does it charge your phone and comes with every single wall tip outlet that you would ever need, it also comes with a camera hidden into the branding on the front. The camera is hidden right in the middle among all of the regulatory information. It's something you would never suspect to be right there. And again, just like the nightlight, you can place this pretty much anywhere. It has a single USB port on the bottom, so you can totally charge your phone off of this and no one would even know. This has to be one of my favorites right here, and this is the weather station. I really like this camera because it does so many different things. It functions as a weather station, it's a clock, it's an alarm. It even comes with a remote sensor for temperature, so you really can use this as a weather station. Even cooler is that there's a toggle on the side to disable the camera, meaning that if you just really like what it does and you don't even care about the camera functionality, you can totally use this as just a normal weather station. But if you want to, you can flip that switch on the side, turn on the camera, and you can monitor anything, anywhere. It's really great for a kitchen to monitor what's going on in there while still offering really functional information. The speaker is also a very cool setup. It's very sleek and modern, and the speaker inside is actually pretty good. The coolest thing about this, though, is that it rotates. Yes, you can control the camera from the app, and you can spin the top half of the speaker around and pan across the room to see what is going on. The camera is hidden inside one of the speaker grills, and it allows you to monitor anything, anywhere, and it rotates nearly all the way around the speaker. These are all really cool hidden spy cameras that you should definitely pick up. So links will be down in the description below if you want to get one. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this is Mark with @Tech, and I will see you in the next one.